This is Matt, and today we're gonna see how to change a Facebook page name. So this is again a very simple process, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it step by step. So the first thing that you wanna do is open the Facebook page that you wanna change the name to. And once you're here, you will wanna click on the icon in the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Here you want to be clicking on Setting again, and here the first tab that it's open automatically, you will see General Page Settings, and it's gonna be a name and a username. So the name is how our Facebook page name will appear, and the username is simply what people need to look for in the search bar in order for our page to appear. So in this case, we want to change the name. We just need to click on Edit, and here we can go ahead, change it, and click on Review Change. Now this is a note that they have, so you cannot change it for the next 7 days. Sometimes it takes 1 hour, sometimes it's immediate, but it might take some time to change it, the name on your Facebook and to actually see it change. That's completely normal, so don't worry about it, but it should be for most of you very quick. So guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks.